Good morning. We are here at Rebel Donuts on Wyoming, just north of Manal, and I'm joined by the owners, Carrie Metling and Tina Wynn. You guys have some crazy looking donuts here. Tell us what you guys have on tap.
Oh, let's see. We've got some cinnamon toast crunch, some maple walnut. We've got one called the Homer, which is Homer Simpson's classic pink donut.
What is the obsession here with this maple bacon donut? That's been a real hot seller and one that a lot of people on Facebook are talking about.
It is absolutely delicious. It's moist, it's good, it's sweet and breakfasty at the same time, so it's like a little bit of heaven.
Come on, you got bacon on a donut. It's awesome.
One of the things that we like to do is give our employees like the freedom to make recipes, and our employee Becky made her grandmother's sticky cinnamon buns yesterday, and so they've been selling like hot cinnamon buns.
You guys have an ever-evolving menu.
Yeah, we do actually. We have a lot of creative people here, so I think that is an added bonus to it.
We've got people online that I threw out a little contest last week, say what can you guys come up with, and we've gotten such good suggestions. We're probably going to make the majority of the suggestions that we got.
Everything your heart desires here. If it's not in this case, suggest it. Maybe they'll make it for you. And that's this week's Best Bites here at Rebel Donuts. Come try it out.